Seeger Data's Precision Machining Digital Intelligent Application Case. The customer's machine is a Doosan Machine Tools 5-axis vertical machining center. The workpiece is a clamp flange with multi-angle curved surfaces and hole features, requiring high 5-axis precision and machining stability. Key problems in traditional machining: large cutting load variation in 5-axis machining, causing instability; feed rate mismatch in multi-angle multi-process machining; conservative parameters limit 5-axis efficiency. To address these issues, the adaptive machining system is introduced. Increase feed in low-load regions to improve efficiency. Based on spindle power signals and 5-axis motion features, AI dynamically adjusts feed rate. In large surface and low-load machining, the system automatically increases feed rate to improve material removal efficiency. When load approaches threshold, feed is reduced in real time to prevent overload and vibration. During tool posture changes and transition zones, feed is smoothed to suppress impact and vibration. Forms a single program, enabling adaptive multi-angle and multi-process machining. Machining time before 1980 seconds, after 1700 seconds, saving 280 seconds per part. Overall efficiency improvement 14.14%. The adaptive machining system was deployed and commissioned within 2 weeks and quickly integrated into existing workflows. It is compatible with various machine tools and mainstream CNC systems. Based on one hardware platform, it can expand into a 4-in-1 solution: tool monitoring, collision protection, thermal error compensation, helping manufacturers achieve cost reduction, efficiency improvement, and stable production.